Hey guys, welcome back to Fidgets 123, and today we're going to be trying to fix some of my broken fidgets that I have. So yes, you might have noticed a new tab. And I also have a new fidget. It's called Floof. Comment down below if you want to see a video of me showing you that. I can't right now, because we're going to find all the broken fidgets. So as you can see, pop tube is broken. I need to put it back together. So that thing. My tangle's broken. It won't go back together, so I'm gonna fix that. And my simple dimple's actually breaking a little bit. It's like coming apart at the sides. See? So I'm gonna try and do something about that. Let me check if there's any other broken ones. Nope, none of the others are broken. So I guess we only have these three. So today I'm going to be using hot glue. It's the most secure one to use. So let's go to the new area. Okay, we're here. Alright, let me get all my hot glue stuff. Okay, wow, okay, we got them. So we've got the glue gun, of course. We're going to use that. Extra glue. And the mat. Alright, I'm going to get it set up. Okay, perfect. This is heating up. They're in their line of surgery. Got this. Alright, we're ready. I'll be back when the glue gun is heated up. Okay, guys, it's heated up enough. It is able to be used. I just tested it. I forgot where. Oh, right there. No, I didn't. I don't know. Oh, well. Okay, let's start with the tangle. Is this a good angle for you? Probably not, but... Okay, so as you can see, it's quite broken there. Pull up the sleeves, get ready. Take the scrunchies off. Okay. So I'm just gonna put like glue in one of these bits and then like stick it together. Yeah. I don't know if you can see that or not. Oh sheesh. Now I'm just gonna wait for it to glue. Scary. I've never even tried to fix my tangle. I've just dealt with it being broken. Oh sheesh! Oh sheesh! Oh gosh, it worked. Now I have a mini tangle. Oh my gosh, guys! Number 1, success. It worked perfectly. Okay, well I was really happy with that one. So now let's try Simple Dimple. So I think I'm just going to put some glue around the edges. All the edges so that it can like just stick together, bro. So just so you know, a little story time of this poor Simple Dimple. So these white bits did actually come off one time, come apart, and then I did actually glue it together. But I only glued it in two parts that were able to have glue on them. So yeah, some of the bits are coming apart. That's why I'm gluing it right now. Okay, now we're just going to adjust it, make it a bit right on that line. Yeah. If you're wondering how I'm not getting hot, it's because I'm like, how I'm not getting burned, it's because I'm like immune from hot glue. Comment down below if you can do this with hot glue. Now it's a bit textured on the outside. It looks a bit filthy little mud blood, but oh well, at the end we'll fix it all up with some scissors. Right. Last one, and the scariest. The pop tube. So every time I just glued these bits together, but I'm thinking I'll like do a ring around the outside like I did with the Simple Dimple. Let's give it a go. I don't know if you can see this very well. I'm sorry if you can't. But I can't see the screen currently, so yeah. Oh sheesh. Just spread it around with my fingers. I did ask actually for gloves to protect my hands, but I didn't get them. So I thought like, oh well, I just risk burning my hands. I'm literally smoothing it out, which I feel like is kind of a smart move. Because chunkier, the worse. I don't know how the chunkier the worst, but it fits, it clicks. Ooh, peel it off time. Oh my god. I don't know if you could see that, but I was like so satisfied. Okay. Alright, let's fix them up. So first we've got the tangle. Let's do a little bit of snippity doo dah. Because the glue got a bit chunky. Well, yep, snip works. Yeah. Alright, it's not working that way, but oh well. Success! We have got tangle fixed! Yes! Guys, now I actually have a normal tangle again! Yay! Next, let's do some snip work, huh? Comment down below if you like these, like that story time I did. Because I can do more story times if you want me to. I mean, like, they'll be bad stories, but like, if you just like want me to do more story time because you think it was very interesting, I can either make up a story or come up with I can either come up with a story or talk about a real one. Alright, let's test if Simple Dimple works. It does! Yay! I'm so happy. Yay! Alright, lastly, got pop tube. Ooh, so stringy. So do any snip work? There shouldn't be any snip work involved, but because I did smoothen it out. Oh well. Let's see if it works. I mean, that bit's connected, but I can risk that bit. It works! Oh my god! I'm actually so happy, guys. Yes! I didn't even have to use any of these. Oh my god. Well, guys, we now have 3 brand new fixed fidgets. Yes! Oh my god. I'm so happy. I have my pop tube back, I have my tangle back, and my Simple Dimple back. And it's kind of textured now and fun. Yay! I'm so happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Bye!